Starting in the great name of Allah, the Cherisher, the Nourisher. Unit 2.1 I Have a Dream. Martin Luther King Jr. is in progress. Dear students, in my last lecture I said Martin Luther King Jr. mentioned 4 documents. 1. Emancipation Proclamation. 2. Declaration of Independence. 3. The Bible. 4. The Song of America. My country, 'tis of thee. Today I will try to explain paragraph number 3 and paragraph number 4. Let's read. But 100 years later, 100 years, 5 score years, we must face the tragic fact. The tragic means sorrowful, fact means truth, that the Negro is still not free, that the Negroes are still slaves. Still, dear students, still versus yet. Still denotes an action or situation which continues to the present. For example, do you still live with your parents? Still, here is an action which continues to the present. Yet is used for questions or negative sentences. Dear students, why do you use yet? It indicates something that we expect to happen or has happened. For example, we haven't met him yet. 100 years later, the life of the Negro is still sadly crippled. Crippled means handicapped, make unable to move by the manacles. Manacles mean shackles of segregation. Segregation means to sit apart from the mainstream, from the main group on the basis of race, etc. And the chains of discrimination. Discriminations means unequal or unfair treatment. 100 years later, the Negro lives on a lonely island of poverty in the midst of a vast ocean of material prosperity. America is a well-off country, and the Negroes live in ghettos. 100. What is ghetto? Ghetto is a place in a city for minorities. 100 years later, the Negro is still languished. Languished means suffered in the corners of American society and finds himself in exile. Exile means banished in his own land. So we have come here today to dramatize an appalling condition. Dramatize means to make something seem more exciting or important than it really is. Appalling means very bad, awful. For example, his condition is appalling due to Corona. Dear students, paragraph 2 mentions the agenda of the speech. Look at this paragraph. In a sense, we have come to our nation's capital to cash a check. The check of freedom. When the architects of our republic, architects means originators, founders of our republic. Republic means the country which is not controlled by dictator. Wrote the magnificent words of the Constitution and the Declaration of Independence. Declaration means proclamation. They were signing a promissory note. Promissory mean full of promise, to which every American was to fall heir. Heir means successor, inheritor. Dear students, what's the difference between heir versus heirloom? HEIRLOOM. Heir means inheritor. Heirloom means something that has been handed down in a family for many generations. For example, this clock is a family heirloom. This note was a promise that all men would be guaranteed the unalienable rights of life. Unalienable means the right, the rights which cannot be transferred to another person. Liberty. What's the difference between liberty and freedom? Both are synonyms, but there's a minute difference. Liberty, freedom would be my right to take my neighbor's property. Liberty would be his right to shoot me if I did. Dear students, look at this word. Alienable means able to be transferred to new ownership. Inalienable or unalienable means unable to be taken from or given away by the possessor. POSSESSOR. Now look at the sentence. What are the not transferable rights? Not transferable rights are the rights of liberty, rights of life, and the pursuit of happiness. To sum up, Martin Luther King Jr. mentions two key points in these two paragraphs. 1. The Negro is still not free. 2. The Negroes have come to the nation's capital to cash a check. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.